Hey there, look closely at this shape. What is special about the shape? Let's see. This is called a circumscribed quadrilateral. That's quite a mouthful, isn't it? A circumscribed. It means it is drawn around. This quadrilateral is drawn around this circle. That is the idea of circumscribed. Scribe means drawn, circum means around. And you know what quadrilateral is. And notice that the circle is perfectly inside the quadrilateral. So what does this mean? It is not just randomly just outside the circle. It is touching the circle at exactly these points. So the key feature is that each side touches the circle at exactly one point. That is the key feature of this circumscribed quadrilateral. So at P, at Q, at R, and at S, exactly one point of this quadrilateral touches the circle inside. And we can name the center as O, and we can name the quadrilateral as ABCD. Now let's see some interesting properties of this quadrilateral. So to understand the interesting property, we need to remember one key theorem from geometry, which is that tangents from an external point are equal. So we know that if you draw a tangent from point P, any point outside a circle, to that circle, from this point, these two tangents will be of exactly the same length. That is the important theorem we need to know. Now using this, let's see what we can do. So if we apply this theorem to vertex A of our quadrilateral, what happens? So this is our vertex A over here. So now we know that this is the external point and these two are tangents to the circle, correct? So we know that AS is equal to AP from the theorem, or AP is equal to AS. And similarly, for all the others we can do, right? So from B, if B is the external point, this is the external point over here, and we draw tangents to the circle, we know that these two will be equal, correct? So that means BP equals BQ. Now similarly, what else do you know? We also know that these two will be equal and these two will also be equal. So which means CR equals CQ and DR equals DS. Very interesting. Now let's see what we can do when we put them together. So we have AP equals AS, BP equals BQ, CR equals CQ, and DR equals DS. Now let's add all four equations. So we have AP equals AS plus BP equals BQ plus CR equals CQ plus DR equals DS. So if we add them together, what do we get? AP plus BP plus CR plus DR. So we are adding all the left terms. AP, BP, CR, and DR. We add them together and put them on the left side, and we add AS, BQ, CQ, and DS, and we put them all on the right side. And why does this work? Because these two are equal, right? So AP is equal to AS, BP is equal to BQ, CR is equal to CQ, and DR is equal to DS. That's how we're able to do this. Now let's see what we can do with this. So we have this equation. AP plus BP plus CR plus DR equals AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. But if you notice something very interesting, what is AP plus BP? Check this out. So what is AP plus BP? So this becomes the entire thing, right? So AP plus BP is basically AB. Now look at CR plus DR. What is CR plus DR? CR plus DR is basically CD. That's very interesting, isn't it? So AP plus BP is giving you this entire section. CR plus DR is giving you this entire section. Now let's look at the other parts. So if you look at AS plus BQ, AS plus BQ is actually nothing, but if you look at AS plus DS, so we have AS plus DS. So AS plus DS will give you this entire section, and BQ plus CQ gives you this entire section. That's beautiful, isn't it? So we have AP plus BP is AB, CR plus DR is CD, BQ plus CQ is BC, and DR plus AS is AD. So grouping adjacent segments together. Now we understand this leads us to this beautiful property of circumscribed quadrilaterals, which is AB plus CD equals BC plus DA, which is brilliantly saying that this side plus this side will always be equal to this side plus this side. So basically, if you have a circumscribed quadrilateral, which means that a quadrilateral which touches the circle at exactly 4 points, then the sum of the opposite sides of the quadrilateral will be perfectly equal. Opposite sides add up to the same sum is what the property tells us. So let's verify this. So let's take the example of ABCD of this quadrilateral, which is sides 5 cm and 7 cm here, which is 12. And the other two would be 6 and 6, which is 12. So this 12 will be equal, no matter what these might end up being, because you will not be able to draw the quadrilateral if you don't have this property. That is what it will end up being. If you get something which is different, then it means you haven't drawn properly. Is it equal? So similarly, if you draw another one, 8 plus 4 is 12. And if you see 5 plus 7 is also 12. So this is an elegant relationship for any quadrilateral that circumscribes a circle. This is called the circumscribed quadrilateral property. AB plus CD is BC plus DA. The sum of opposite sides has equal value. So we proved this using theorem that tangents to a circle from an external point are equal. Alright, I hope you had some fun today. I'll see you next time.